So today's video is going to be a little voiceover because I had some noise in the house. I wasn't really able to do my typical talk through. This is the hair from Made Beauty. It already comes pre-curled, and of course I will have that linked in my description box. So I already did one side. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the braid down pattern for the other side. So I actually found this on another YouTuber's video. I can't remember her name though. But yeah, I felt like this gave me a really, it kind of looks like you braided it from the scalp because there's spacing in between because you're like plaiting and connecting, rather than if you just did a cornrow going back, they might be really close. I don't know, it could just be me, but I just felt like this braid down was really, really flat and gave the most natural look. I'm not gonna lie though, it took me a little minute. I probably, if I did like a chunkier braid down, I would have been done faster, but I felt like it would have looked ugly. Like this was the longest part. Once I was crocheting, it's easy because you're not even gonna double knot when you crochet. But this was a little bit time consuming. But time consuming as in like 30 minutes, not like time consuming as in like 2 hours or something. But it depends how fast you braid still.
Finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back on my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the morning. Stay in the morning with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Spend all the roses. Spend all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Spend all the roses. Spend all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. face. I see you climbing, been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, babe, come jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me.
Okay, so for the back, ignore my neck area. I used to shave it, but I'm just gonna let it grow back now because it just looks kind of weird. But yeah, for the back, you're gonna do 1 row of individual plaits, and then you're gonna like cornrow and connect everything together. The reason for the individual plaits is so that you're able to catch it up in a ponytail, because like it would just be connected to those alone. Like you'll see, it's kind of like just hard to explain. Okay, so now we're gonna begin installing the crochet braids. This is very easy and like kind of self-explanatory. You only want to knot it once. You're not gonna do it like more than once. With regular loose hair, you can sometimes do it more than once, but that will just create a really big knot, and it stays pretty secure with just knotting it one time. I would say be careful with how you're pulling the hair through. I think it was this one, as you can see. I messed up the braid a little bit, so you want to be like really gentle with how you're doing that. So like, you know, the plait, stays intact.
Around your friends, you know that I'm bagging them. Request me on Facebook, no I ain't adding them. Positions I had her in, hit from the back, that pussy was splattering. Calling her friend, tell her pull up, word, let's make it a gathering. They loving that baby, nah I'm matic now, but she loving the splash again. I just be cashing in her buns, just like a wedding I'm crashing in. Hundreds on hundreds, I'm moving and grooving, she wanna cut up, I'ma slash again. Buckets on buckets, I'm switching edition, back in my bag, going back again. I feel like Aladdin, yeah, I'm on the carpet, flying through orbits, ain't doing no talking. They on my body as soon as I walk in, bitches be stalking. They loving the drip, they think I'm a force, it gotta move cautious. Back in my duffel, I'm working a double like I'm in the office.
So before even doing the front, I made sure the back was like full enough. Obviously it wasn't, so I added some more to it.
Then she took that thing off and bring it around, going at it till I'm on. Put that 90 in a hole, I'm beating it down, I'm back in that.
So for the front, the way you're installing it, you can see how I did my braid pattern. There was spaces in between. So you want to leave those spaces open because that's what's going to create the illusion of parting. So you don't want to make it like too full, because then like it won't have that part illusion essentially. So that's why we did that technical braid pattern instead of just cornrowing it all the way back, because then we wouldn't have those spaces in between to give us those box-like squares. So you want to stay along those guidelines, just crochet in the box. For the back, it doesn't matter because you want your back to be fuller, the middle and back to be fuller anyway, but for the front, you don't want it to be that full.
And tell her to mop it. Yeah, I got that shit doing. Then she took that thing off and bring it around. Going at it till I'm on. Put that 90 in a hole, I'm beating it down. I'm back in that bag again. Whoa, whoa. Oh, say less. I'm back in that bag again. Yeah, yeah. Oh, say less. I'm back in that. Yeah. What you doing? Yeah, yeah. I'm back in that. Hey, where you going? Hey,
This style took me a total of 3 hours to complete, which honestly beats 12 hours because that's how long it would have taken me to do this from scratch. So it was really cute. I'm going to show you guys also a few styles you can do with it. Because of the braid pattern we did, it's very versatile as well. And I'd say give you about, you can wear this for a month. Knowing me, it's probably going to be only 3 weeks or 2 weeks even, but you can rock this for a month because the braids, the plaits are very like tight, so they'll stay intact, and if it even slides out a little, you can just tighten it. But yeah, that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next video.